Top 10 warning signs you're starting to have cancer that you don't know about. Have you ever felt an unexplained fatigue that just doesn't go away or noticed unusual changes in your skin? These seemingly harmless symptoms could be signs of something more serious. Cancer is a word that strikes fear in many, but did you know that early detection can significantly improve your chances of successful treatment? In today's video, we're going to look at some of the common symptoms of cancer, things that you should never ignore. Your body often sends warning signals. The key is to recognize them early on. Cancer symptoms vary depending on where it develops in the body, but there are some general signs that might indicate something isn't right. Let's dive into some of these symptoms in more detail. 1. Fatigue. Everyone feels tired now and then, but cancer-related fatigue is different. It's a deep, overwhelming exhaustion that doesn't go away with rest. If you're feeling persistently fatigued, even after a full night's sleep, it could be a sign that your body is trying to fight something more serious. Fatigue often accompanies blood cancers like leukemia, but can be associated with almost any type of cancer. If this type of tiredness lasts for weeks, it's worth seeing a doctor to rule out any underlying issues. 2. Lumps or areas of thickening. Have you discovered a lump under your skin that wasn't there before? Cancerous lumps can appear anywhere on the breast, testicles, or lymph nodes. While not all lumps are cancerous, the key is to monitor them for growth. These lumps typically feel hard and may grow over time. They're a common sign of breast cancer but can also appear in other types, such as testicular or soft tissue cancers. If you notice a lump or an area of thickening, get it checked out as soon as possible. 3. Unintended weight changes. Losing or gaining a significant amount of weight without trying. Unintended weight loss is a common early symptom of cancers such as stomach, pancreatic, or lung cancer. Your body may start using more energy to fight off cancer cells, causing rapid weight loss. On the other hand, weight gain could occur due to fluid retention caused by tumors. If you've lost more than 10 pounds without explanation, this could be a sign that your body is undergoing a serious change. 4. Skin changes. Did you know that skin changes are often one of the first visible signs of cancer? Yellowing, darkening, redness, or sores that won't heal can be early signs of skin cancer or other internal cancers. Pay close attention to any moles that change in size, color, or texture, as these could be signs of melanoma, a potentially deadly skin cancer. If a mole starts itching, bleeding, or becomes painful, it's crucial to get it examined by a doctor immediately. 5. Changes in bowel or bladder habits. Frequent trips to the bathroom, diarrhea, constipation, or blood in your stool can indicate cancers of the digestive system, like colon cancer. On the bladder side, blood in the urine or frequent urination could signal bladder or prostate cancer. These symptoms might seem minor or embarrassing to discuss, but they can point to serious problems. Ignoring changes in your bathroom habits might mean delaying necessary treatment. So if these symptoms persist, it's time to see your healthcare provider. 6. Persistent cough or trouble breathing. We've all had a cough that lingers after a cold, but if you have a persistent cough or trouble breathing that lasts for weeks, it could be linked to cancers of the lung or throat. This is especially important if the cough is accompanied by hoarseness, blood, or wheezing. Lung cancer is one of the most common cancers worldwide, and an ongoing cough can be one of the earliest signs. If you've been coughing for more than a month, especially if you're a smoker, it's time to get checked. 7. Difficulty swallowing. Having trouble swallowing, known as dysphagia, could be a sign of cancer in the esophagus, throat, or stomach. This symptom might start mildly, but if it persists or worsens, it can indicate a tumor is blocking your digestive or respiratory tract. People with this symptom often feel as if food is stuck in their throat or experience pain when swallowing. If you're struggling to swallow food or liquids for more than a few days, see your doctor for a full evaluation. 8. Unexplained muscle or joint pain. We all experience occasional aches and pains, but persistent, unexplained pain can be an early indicator of bone or other cancers. Bone cancer can cause chronic pain in bones or joints that worsens over time. This pain often doesn't respond to typical treatments like rest or over-the-counter medication. If the pain doesn't have a clear cause or doesn't go away after several weeks, it's essential to get it checked, especially if it's paired with other symptoms like swelling or warmth around the area. 9. Fever and night sweats. While fevers are usually linked to infections, unexplained fevers that keep coming back could signal blood cancers like leukemia or lymphoma. Night sweats that soak your sheets, even when the room is cool, are another red flag. These symptoms indicate that your body is reacting to something abnormal, such as cancer cells, and shouldn't be ignored. Keep track of your temperature and any other accompanying symptoms and consult your doctor for a thorough examination. 10. Unexplained bleeding or bruising. If you notice bruises or bleeding that seem to appear out of nowhere, it could indicate blood cancers like leukemia. This type of cancer can disrupt your body's ability to produce platelets, which are essential for blood clotting. Easy bruising, unusual nosebleeds, or bleeding gums are all potential warning signs. Additionally, coughing up blood, blood in the urine, or vaginal bleeding between periods should never be ignored, as they could signal different forms of cancer, including lung, bladder, or cervical cancer. What should you do if you're experiencing any of these symptoms? The best course of action is to see your doctor immediately if you notice something unusual. Most symptoms won't automatically mean cancer, but early detection is key to increasing your treatment options and success rates. Waiting for symptoms to become more severe can reduce your chances of effective treatment. Taking action early might seem intimidating, but remember that it's your body, and being proactive can save your life. Regular checkups, screenings, and being mindful of your health can help you catch potential issues early, allowing for quicker intervention. Have you noticed any of these symptoms lately? It's time to take control of your health. Don't hesitate. Schedule a checkup with your doctor today. Even if the symptoms seem minor, it's always better to catch problems early than to wait until they become more serious. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips, and share this video with friends and family. Together, we can spread awareness about early cancer detection and help others take charge of their health.